Introducing Mexico Map Kit, a handy new After Effects template from space stock footage. All 31 states of Mexico isolated on a separate 3D layer, so you can scale, position, color, and add effects as required. Zoom in to areas of interest and hide the states you don't need to focus on certain regions. Animate individual states and add your own text and camera moves as required. Use your own content as a texture for the country. Images, footage, whatever you need. Highlight states with different colors to represent whatever you need the map to represent. Or get creative and add your own animations and images into the texture layers. Includes map markers for pinpointing cities, locations, and other areas of interest across Mexico. Add as many as you need. All of the scenes in this preview video are just usage examples to give you an idea of what's possible with a Mexico Map Kit from space stock footage. The only limit is your imagination and your creativity. So make sure you purchase Mexico Map Kit today, an invaluable addition to your library of motion graphics assets. Thanks for watching.